Welcome to Product Critique. In today's video, we're diving into why this is the best medicated anti-itch 12 ounces dog shampoo on the market. The Command Antifungal and Antibacterial Medicated Dog Shampoo. Whether your pup is struggling with itching, fungal infections, or bacterial issues, this shampoo claims to be the answer. Let's break down everything you need to know before making it a part of your dog's grooming routine. First off, let's talk ingredients, and this is where the magic begins. The Command Medicated Dog Shampoo contains chlorhexidine and ketoconazole, two powerhouse ingredients commonly used in veterinary dermatology. Chlorhexidine is an antiseptic and disinfectant known for its broad-spectrum antimicrobial activity. It helps eliminate bacteria that can lead to infections and skin irritation. Ketoconazole, on the other hand, is a potent antifungal agent, effective against yeast infections and fungal dermatitis. When these two come together in one formula, you're looking at a shampoo that not only cleans but actively treats problematic skin conditions. The formula is designed to be gentle yet effective. It doesn't just fight infections, it soothes the skin. Dogs suffering from constant itching or inflammation will likely find relief within just a few uses. The consistency of the shampoo is thick and luxurious, allowing it to lather well and stay on the skin long enough to do its job. Unlike some medicated shampoos that can feel medicinal or harsh, this one has a light, pleasant scent that leaves your dog smelling clean without being overwhelming. Wet your dog's coat thoroughly, apply the shampoo, and work it into a rich lather, especially focusing on affected areas. You'll want to leave it on for about 5 to 10 minutes to allow the ingredients to penetrate deeply into the skin. Then rinse thoroughly. The manufacturer recommends using it 2 to 3 times per week initially, depending on your dog's condition, and then reducing frequency as symptoms improve. This shampoo is ideal for dogs with conditions like ringworm, hot spots, pyoderma, and even more chronic issues like seborrheic dermatitis. It's also a good preventative if your dog is prone to skin issues. Many veterinarians and groomers consider it a go-to solution when standard shampoos just don't cut it. Packaging-wise, the 12-ounce bottle is compact but goes a long way. A small amount is enough to create a rich lather, so you're not burning through the product quickly. The flip-top cap is secure and easy to use, even with wet hands, which, let's face it, is always the case when bathing a dog. Another huge plus is that this product is made in the USA in federally regulated manufacturing facilities. That means you can have confidence in the consistency and quality of each bottle. For pet parents who are cautious about what goes on their dog's skin, this level of manufacturing oversight is a big deal. Now, let's address the value. While it's not the cheapest dog shampoo out there, the effectiveness of the product really makes up for the cost. If you've been cycling through countless shampoos with no results, investing in a medicated formula like this could actually save you money and frustration in the long run. And considering it addresses both bacterial and fungal issues, you're getting 2 treatments in one. To wrap it up, the Command Antifungal and Antibacterial Medicated Shampoo is more than just a grooming product, it's a therapeutic solution. For dogs suffering from itchy, irritated, or infected skin, this could very well be a game changer. It cleans, soothes, and treats, all in one easy step. If your vet has recommended a medicated wash, or if you're just tired of watching your pup scratch endlessly, this shampoo might be exactly what you've been looking for. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell so you don't miss our next deep dive into the products that make a difference in your pet's life. See you in the next one.